All right, for those that are having issues with their KYC phase 3 on ICE networks, I'm going to make this video very clear and concise so that you can be able to follow the guide and do it. So once you see this pop up on your screen, you're going to click on this continue. All right. So I'm actually using my second Twitter account for this tutorial to know if it's going to work. So the same goes with those that are having issues um with their account. So let me try to know if it's going to work for me. So I'll just click on tap on copy. So you're going to click on, after you've tapped on copy, you click on this small here icon. It will take you straight to Twitter. Then you are going to see this post. So what you do is you come down here and you see this repost handle. Hold it, don't just tap on it. When you hold it, you see two options, repost and quote. So you're going to click on quote. So you paste that in you copied, and then you will share it. All right. So you're going to share it. Let me see if it's going to work. If it's not going to work, we also find a way out. So I'll click on post. Now I have successfully made the post. So what I'm going to do is I'll click backward. Okay, so I'll go back to my Twitter account now. So once on your Twitter, you go to your profile. This is actually a new account. I don't know if it's going to work, but let me try. So you click on this share button here. Click on this share button. So if it's not going to work, that means you also need to follow this guide if you're using old account and complete the whole step. So you now click on continue. All right. So you paste the address here, you copy the link and click on verify. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, you can see it's actually worked for me. So verification completed is just as simple as that. So I even use another account. That is, if you do it correctly, it's going to verify you within a second. So you click on continue. Now I have successfully qualified for the next distribution. So what you're going to do is to check right here to see if there is an allocation already for you, because they are doing random distribution. So once you've done this step, it's going to be a pivot way that will guide you to receive the second distribution. So if you have not been mining, you can continue mining continuously, okay, so that you can qualify for the next phase of ICE network airdrop distribution. It's actually random, but once you merit this the criteria, you can bind your BNB smart chain address here. If you have not binded yours, go ahead and bind. So if you want to complete this achievement catalog, you can click here. Here you're going to see, including your, though it's basically for those who are joining you, they will be prompted to add their nickname, then they will click on start earning, which is the way of making their first check-in. Now they will upload profile picture, then they will follow on X account, which is on Twitter. So once they follow, they will also follow on Telegram, and optionally you can get this ticked when you have up to 5 referrals. So it's as simple as this, what I've explained. So if you're still having issues, you can comment in the comment section. Also give a like to this video and subscribe to the channel.